Welcome to the Sven Loven Center for Marine Infrastructure in Tranås, Sweden, where we spent the last 10 days working on the effect of anthropogenic pressures on the periwinkle species Littorina saxatilis. Worldwide, anthropogenic pollution is increasing due to a huge population of 7.6 billion people, which is still expected to rise. Plastic pollution is a growing concern for the environment, as it can have both physical and chemical impacts on marine life. Light pollution causes an ecological problem for many marine organisms when disrupting the normal diurnal cycle. This species of sea snail has two different ecotypes that are very similar genetically, but have different physiological traits. This is the wave ecotype, which is found on rocks exposed to wave action. The crab ecotype is found on intertidal rocky shores. Our questions were: is there a difference in predatory response and foraging behavior between ecotypes when exposed to artificial light? And is there a difference between ecotypes regarding the effect of the presence of plastic in the environment? This is the setup for the light experiment with predatory response. The snail's movement was recorded after sunset in tanks either exposed to artificial light or in natural darkness. We used crab scent to stimulate the snail's movement. After a brief moment to catch up on some sleep, we set up our second light experiment, where the snails were given the choice to forage on rocks either in the dark or under artificial light conditions. Our plastic experiment was set up in 6 glass tanks, 3 control tanks and 3 tanks with 50% plastic coverage. We recorded if the snails preferred to either stay on the plastic or on the glass surface. After hours of data analysis, we found significant difference in behavior between light exposure and natural dark conditions in the first light experiment, but no difference in between ecotypes. Neither did we find significant effects of artificial light nor in between ecotypes in our second light experiment. We did not find significant differences between the ecotype's choice of either staying on a glass or on a plastic surface.